Hey guys, Jeannie here and welcome back to my channel. So we're gonna head into CVS to share the deals. If I seem like I have like a black cloud over my head today and if I'm not as bubbly as normally, forgive me. Today has just not been a good day. So if you want to offer a virtual hug to me, that would be great. I'm just, I just don't lie to you guys and I'm just not okay. I'm trying not to cry. So I'm gonna head into CVS. Coupons always make me feel better. CVS always makes me feel better, so let's go. Okay, so this week, L'Oreal Facial Cosmetics, they are on a spend 30, get $10 back in extra care bucks. This is on all L'Oreal skincare. And something is actually catching my eye right here. It is the Hydrogenius Daily Liquid Care. So it's a 72-hour hydration. So if you have a problem with hydration, this would be good. It has hyaluronic acid. This whole time I've been saying hydraulic acid. That sounds like something that would like burn your skin off. Hyaluronic acid, so it is anti-aging. That's hyaluronic acid, so that's priced for $19.79, and then just add something else to get you to that $30 mark. Just mix and match with whatever you want. And then we're also getting insert coupons coming. Oh no, you're fine. So we're also getting insert coupons coming in our Red Plum. So the Red Plum 1022 is going to have some insert coupons for the L'Oreal skincare. And then if you got the CRT, let me pull it up. It's 40% off of any L'Oreal facial care. You absolutely could stack this with one of the items that you're purchasing. Just make sure it is regular price because that's how that 40% is going to come off. So this 40% off coupon is going to be great on something expensive like the so this would be great to pair with that $19.79 product, which I actually might pick up and try. So if you guys want me to pick it up and test it out for you guys, let me know and I will, because I'm all about trying and finding new beauty products. So L'Oreal is spend 30, get 10. You can also stack it with any facial care CRTs you may have. Percentage off coupon if you still get those. So great deal on L'Oreal. Okay, you guys, so Almay Cosmetics is on a spend 12, get $4 back in extra care bucks this week, and we still have those insert coupons from the 10/7 Retail Me Not. So these are actually going to Anchor Amber because you guys know how I feel about Almay Cosmetics. So let me just run through these coupons. So it's a 3 off 2 makeup remover, a 3 off 1 facial. So be careful with this facial product coupon because you can't use it on the makeup removers. But you can use the 3 off 2 on the makeup remover right here. If there's anything that I would suggest to you guys from the Almay line would be their cosmetic makeup removers. So and then you can also pair a CRT. So I have a 4 off 18 and I also got a 2 off 12. So you definitely could try those out. To be honest with you guys, I did try these out. They're the quads. I didn't like them. What else? I have not tried these new lip glosses, the Goddess lip gloss. That might be something you consider trying, but when in doubt, just go for the cosmetic makeup removers because we can always use these. But I will be honest with you because I'm always honest with you guys on products. Just be careful with the iPads because they are super oily. So just if you don't like oily cosmetic remover, be careful with that. But you can never go wrong with like a basic black eyeliner, so that might be something to try too. But I haven't been a fan of their eyeshadows, I haven't been a fan of their mascaras, haven't been a fan of their foundations. So but maybe you guys like it, and Anchor Amber does, and that's why she's getting my coupon. Okay, so we have a few skincare deals. So it's on a spend 30, get $10 back, and what's included is the Eucerin, CeraVe, Cetaphil, Aveeno, and I think it's called Vichy. So yeah, so just spend 30, get 10. The Vichy line has a lot of really great items you can choose from. So if you just want to do something easy, you could go with this mineral water gel cooling moisturizer. So it's priced for $31. You could buy this for $31, get a $10 extra care buck, making it $21. Then it can get even lower if you have a percentage off coupon or CRTs for cosmetics. It can make it go even lower, and this will make a really great gift. And they have some really expensive stuff. Holy crap. This is a foil elixir. I hope there's like real gold in this because it's $55 at CVS. Really? Wow, that's a lot. So if you have a percentage off coupon, shoot, use it on this baby right here. 55 bucks, that's a lot, but hey, if you want a deal on this stuff, now's the time. Okay, you guys, so Sally Hansen Cosmetics, they're on a spend 12, get $6 back, so it's like 50% almost. So you can do the miracle gels, you can do the nail treatments right here. Just make sure you spend $12, and we still have insert coupons from the 99 Smart Source. So that came, there was $1 off one for any treatment, and then a $2 off one for the miracle gel. So again, those came in the 99 Smart Source. You could pair your cosmetic CRT here just fine, and could be for a good deal on Sally Hansen. You guys, so Maybelline Cosmetics are on another buy two, get $5. You could do the single shadows if you want, but I love getting these Maybelline baby lips because they're great gift fillers, great to just throw in every bag that you own. I have like a dozen different chapsticks circulated around everywhere, so my lips never go chapped. So you can buy two of those. They're priced for $4.49, and we're getting $1 off one coupons coming in the 1022 Retail Me Not, and there's supposed to be a mystery coupon that's printing, so maybe it's going to be a 3 off 1. And you can also stack it with a CRT for cosmetics, so definitely get some Maybelline goodies. Okay, so also included in that skincare deal, let's get to it, is Eucerin, CeraVe, and Cetaphil, which are great skincare brands, you guys. So if you have sensitive skin, this is what you want to be getting. So there are 2 off 1 coupons for the Eucerin on coupons.com, and there's a 2 off 1 coupon on the CVS app that you can use. If you don't know how to use the CVS app, I have a video explaining it in the description box. If you don't know how to use it, click that video and I walk you through it. There are also 4 off 1 coupons coming from the CeraVe, so that comes from the 1022 Smart Source. So my son has eczema, so if you guys have any extra of those CeraVe coupons, please send those my way, because my son, yes, he has the most sensitive skin out of all of my kids, so I would gladly take your extras. And the Cetaphil, there's a printable 2 off 1. There's a $2 coupon you could send to your CVS app. For the Aveeno, there was a 3 off 1 coupon from the 10/7 Retail Me Not, and there's also a $2.50 off 1 printable, and there are coupons you could send to your CVS app for Aveeno. So there are tons of coupons that you can utilize to spend 30, get 10. I love this deal so much. I love any spend 30, get 10, because then you can use manufacturer coupons, you can use your percentage off coupon, because everything's going to be regular price. So this is great. So Physicians Formula this week is on a spend 15, get $10 back in extra care bucks. If you got that 4 off 18 CRT, you could stack it here. Just make sure you spend at least $18. I always rave about the foundation. There are so many great things from this line. I'm actually going to leave a get ready video in the description box. It has a ton of Physicians Formula, so if you need some inspiration, I'm going to leave that video so you can watch it. Okay, so my girl Nicole Burgess, she always talks about this Mega Cushion foundation. I have yet to try it. I don't even know what my color would be. Nicole, I'm assuming you're the light ivory. I don't know if we would be the same shade yet, but come winter, we're going to be the same shade. So they are priced for $8.99, and we're going to get a $5 extra care buck when you buy one, so it makes it $3.99, so not a bad deal. I don't know of any manufacturer coupons at the moment, but if there are some, you could stack it here, and then again, you could use your CRT for cosmetics to make for a better deal. Revlon hair dyes. These guys are on sale 2 for $6, so not a bad deal. And there's going to be a $1 off 2 coupon coming, so it makes these $2.50 each. So what do you guys think of this color? Dark auburn. So I have a hair appointment actually in 2 weeks. So I'm going to insert 2 pictures of the colors that I'm leaning towards. So comment below if I should do color number 1 or color number 2. I'm super excited. It's been almost 6 months since I've gotten my hair colored, so I'm really excited for a change. Okay, so we have a few deals on L'Oreal. So when you spend $15, you're gonna get $5 back in extra care bucks. So the L'Oreal Elvive, these guys are priced 2 for $8. So for this, you would need to buy 16 of them. You need to buy 4 of them for $16, and there's a 3 off 2 coupon coming in the Retail Me Not. However, that coupon you can only use 1, I believe. It's a limit of 1 coupon, so you would have to do that deal over the course of 2 days, so not a fan of that one. There's also a 5 off 20 L'Oreal hair care that had printed from the red machine, so you could stack this here too, but you would have to buy $20 worth of L'Oreal to take an additional $5 off. You could stack a hair care CRT, which would be just fine, but the deal that I think is actually worth doing is on the L'Oreal Everpure. So this is the sulfate-free hairline. So they are priced 2 for $15, and we're also getting insert coupons coming for the L'Oreal Everpure. So I think that that is a pretty decent deal because alone they are $7.99. So if you bought 2 alone, it would be $14.98. But what's great about this deal is you get them 2 for $15, and then you get them. So you get them 2 for $15, but then you get that $5 extra care buck back. So it makes them 2 for $10, $5 each. And then there is a hair care CRT that's floating around. So not a bad deal on L'Oreal, but you can do the L'Oreal Elvive. You would just have to do it in the course of 2 days unless a printable comes about, or if there's a CVS send a card coupon, which they've been really good at giving us CVS digital coupons, so you just have to wait until Sunday. The OGX line is on a buy one, get one half off, and they're also buy three, $3 in extra care bucks. So there are some CVS coupons you can use. So there's a 3 off 2 coupon from the CVS app, and then there's also a $1 off 1 coupon that you could send to your CVS app. So something I've been loving is the dry shampoo. So what I love is trying new items from the drugstore and letting you guys know like what is good and what is not. I actually like this dry shampoo more than the Batiste dry shampoo, and I like it more than the Garnier. So I highly suggest this. So my favorite dry shampoos have been the OGX as well as the Nexus. So this is a nice deal if you want to give it a try, and if you have a hair care CRT, pair it here to make it even better. You guys, so select Listerines are supposed to be $4.99, and if the Listerine Healthy White is $4.99, I hope you guys printed the 4 off 1 coupon. I'm telling you guys, it was 4 off 1 and I printed another one. So yeah, if that's the case, it's going to be 99 cents, so not a bad deal. So we have a P&G deal going on. So when you spend $25 or more, you're going to get a $7 extra care buck. So the Pampers are included. So the Pampers and the Easy Up, they're both $9.99 each. So the Pampers and the Easy Ups, they are $9.99, so you can do this deal with Pampers. So in this scenario, you just need to get up to your $25 requirements. You can do all diapers, so you would need to buy 3 of them for $29.97, and then you're going to get that $5 extra care buck. I'm going to let you guys know here if there are any coupons you can pair in your CVS app or insert, because I forgot to check that before I left. So look here for those coupons if they're available, so you can do the diaper route, use any diaper CRTs for this deal to make the diapers even lower. Okay, so also included in this deal is the 12 count of the Bounty paper towels, and also the mega roll of the Charmin toilet paper. So they are also on sale for $9.99, which is a great sale price right off the bat because regular price is $18.29, so a $9.99 sale price is a great deal. Right here, if there are coupons, you can send to your CVS app to make it even better. Okay, so the extra laundry detergent, this is the 51 fluid ounce. These guys are priced 3 for $4. That's not a bad deal on some laundry detergent. So they even have some that has OxyClean in it. So if you're not picky with laundry detergent, this would be a good route to go. And here's a fun little trick. If you don't like them for your clothes, they make great carpet cleaners, just out of personal experience. And also the Persil is priced for $4.94, and there's a 2 off 1 coupon coming in our insert, so the 1021 Retail Me Not. Definitely check for a printable, but CVS always sends a send a card coupon, so definitely check there, and then check back for Saving Star to see if there's going to be a Saving Star rebate. Okay, so the Campbell soups, the condensed soups, these guys are priced for 88 cents, regular price, not a bad deal. If you purchase one, you could submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards and get bonus points for Campbell's products. And this is a great thing to donate, you guys, because my daughter's school has a canned food drive going on for the Project Shepherd, so this will be great if you pick up a can of soup at 88 cents. You could pick up a bunch of them, but canned soup is something that food pantries need all the time because they last on the shelf for so long. So definitely keep that in mind when you're shopping. You could even think for Thanksgiving for yourself, but if you're looking for things to donate to food drives that will be popping up since Thanksgiving is right around the corner, definitely snag these and send them for donation. Okay, so the Starbucks bag coffee and the Starbucks K-Cups, these guys are priced for $6.99 on sale, so I always think that's a great sale price. And Vicky, if you're watching, I have the clips. but I left them at home. So all of my coupons are scattered on the floor, and I know that's why you sent me those clips. Next week, I'm not gonna forget those clips. Okay guys, so this week the Nabisco snacks, they are buy one, get one free. And something that I forgot to mention is try to get these little circus cookie boxes. My kids love those, and it makes snacking a whole lot more fun when you have a box of like a circus box. But anyways, buy one, get one free. Okay, so we have another deal. Oh my god, my eyes immediately are drawn to the new items from L'Oreal. Oh my god. Did you guys see this pigment? Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. Glycerine garnet. This is beautiful. And look at this one. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. Java. Wow. Wow, I'm impressed. Sidetracked because I love makeup. Okay, so Domino's gift cards. These guys, when you buy a $50 gift card, you're going to get a $10 extra care bucks. If you have a party coming up, this would be a great way to save on pizza. And then also Applebee's. So Applebee's is buy 50 and get a $10 extra care buck. This is a limit of one, so it's either one Applebee's or one Domino's. You can't do both. You guys, so we have a deal on Hershey's candy. So the Hershey's Kisses, and also the Hershey's miniatures, also the Hershey's Gold. They're priced for 5 for $15, and you're going to get a $5 extra care buck when you buy 5. And then also, if you saved your 3 off 3 CRT that printed from this week, final cost is going to be 5 for $7, which makes for a fantastic deal on candy. So I'm here for the candy deals coming on Sunday. That's what I'm coming for. Okay guys, so select Mars, Skittles, Starburst, Hershey's. These guys are priced buy one, get one free. So my store has them priced for $3.99. So all of the bags that I mentioned, they're priced for $3.99. Some are $4.99. So let's see. The Skittles are $3.99. The M&Ms are $4.99. The Starbursts are $3.99, and we have some coupons. So there is a $1 off 2 coupon that came in the 10-7 Retail Me Not. So you can use this coupon right here. So you could buy 2 Skittles for $3.99 because one will ring up free. Then use this $1 off coupon, so you get them $2.99 for 2. So it makes it what? $1.49 each, which is not bad. And then we also have a 2 off 3 coupon for the Mars candies. So in that scenario, you would need to buy 4 bags of the Mars candies total, but 2 of them will ring up free. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like it so I know you have enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, and I will talk to you guys all later. And if you guys need some Halloween inspiration, I did a Dollar Tree collab. So if you guys need some inspiration on Halloween costumes and you don't want to spend a lot of money, I'll have a playlist below to get you guys some ideas. So I will talk to you guys all later. Bye.